This is Mike, a field supervisor overlooking 40 compression packages. They are quite maintenance intensive, and sometimes it's hard to know if the right spare parts are available on inventory, if those spare parts are in good condition, or if they are still out for repair. Above all, Mike has to make sure that his service mechanics perform the maintenance in a timely manner and install the right parts. But luckily, Mike and his field mechanics have started to use Vistra. Bob, Mike's field mechanic, has started a maintenance by selecting a unit from his unit list. He picks required parts from the equipment configuration by hitting the scan button. Then he goes to the indicated shelf location and checks out his parts from the inventory by scanning the QR code on the box. He jumps into his truck and drives out to the field. He changes parts in the unit and documents the maintenance he has done in the app. The worn parts taken out from the unit will be moved to the return list and can be scanned into a shipment for HOERBIGER. Meanwhile, Mike opens the Vistra web portal in his office and recognizes that Bob has already finished the maintenance on this unit. Besides, Vistra shows the updated maintenance history and displays all exchanged parts. Mike recognizes from the repair history of this unit in Vistra that the mean time between repair is only 4,000 hours. He flags the unit as a bad actor. HOERBIGER receives Mike's parts, repairs them, and uploads a full repair report to Vistra. In addition, because Mike has flagged this unit, HOERBIGER engineers suggest improved parts as an upgrade. A few days later, Mike receives the repaired parts and puts them back on stock. He is curious to see whether the processing time of part repair has improved with Vistra. Oh, great! It was 20% faster than last time. Mike sees the benefit of HOERBIGER's upgrade proposal and installs the new parts in the next planned maintenance. 2 years later, Mike checks this unit and recognizes that it is still running and hasn't had a failure for over 16,000 hours. Do you want to follow Mike and become part of the Vistra experience? Visit vistra.hoerbiger.com.